Hi everyone, welcome to Eminent Statistics Institute, Vijayawada and Hyderabad. It is APSO 2025 question. If a typist in an office can type invoices at a rate of 50 per hour, statements at a rate of 40 per hour, and reminders at a rate of 80 per hour, and she types equal number of each type of documents, then the average output of the typist per hour is approximately equal to. Here asking the averages. Averages. Averages అంటే ఏంటి? అర్థమెటిక్ మీను, జామెట్రిక్ మీను, హార్మోనిక్ మీను, మీడియను, మోడ్. So here the invoices rate is a 50 per hour. Statements at a rate of 40 per hour. Reminders at a rate of 80 per hour. ఎప్పుడైతే టైం ఫ్యాక్టర్ ఇన్వాల్వ్ అవుతుందో అక్కడ యావరేజ్ అనేది హార్మోనిక్ మీన్ ఈజ్ అ సూటబుల్ మెజర్మెంట్. హియర్ 3 అబ్జర్వేషన్స్ ఆర్ గివెన్. సో ద ఫస్ట్ అబ్జర్వేషన్ ఈస్ లెట్ us suppose that x1 equal to 50 per hour, x2 equal to 40 per hour and x3 equal to 80. Here we need to take the harmonic mean of 3 observations, that is x1, x2, x3 equal to 3 divided by 1 by x1 plus 1 divided by x2 plus 1 divided by x3. What is the harmonic mean? The reciprocal of the arithmetic mean and the reciprocal of the given observations. దీన్నే సింప్లిఫై చేస్తే we are getting the 3x1, x2, x3 divided by x1 into x2 plus x1 into x3 plus x2 into x3. The values are substituted here. 3 into 50 into 40 into 80 divided by 50 into 40, the second one x1 x3 50 into 80 and x2 x3 40 into 80. So here now simplification, 3 5s are 50, 5 4s are 60, 60 into 80, 60 into 8 అంటే 480, 480 3 zeros ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి 3 zeros divided by 5 4s are 20, 2000. So 5 8s are 40, 4000. 4 8s are 32, that is 3200. So 4,80,000 divided by 2000 plus 4000 plus 3200, 9200. 9200. 2 zeros cancel. Next 4800 divided by 92. It is 52.